Hi guys, today we're going to show cute little stuff here. And you also get this many toys here because I buy this from LPS. And I also got this little thingy over here. And this where you screw. You have to get this away, this, and everything. We also can hang this and hold it. Let's start opening the house. And also make something. Make Hello Kitty here and home. This is for baby. Be like a toy for baby alive. This one will live over there. And this one goes in the bed. She lives here. This one, her car here, her couch over here, and the fridge down, and the kitchen over here. We also can move the car here. That's all for now. Bye. Don't forget to watch Lexi and Zaza's video. Bye.